All right, we're going to start by showing our right ankle feet. Now, notice when your leg is extended, the toes point up. This is why Kangapoda is such an ergonomic advancement, but it's a beautiful thing to be able to be comfortable, to be able to be underneath the covers and have a canopy that will just gently expand and drape the feet rather than pressing against them. Now, I wanted to start this way because it's Kangapoda and always thinking about comfortable feet. But I'm going to give another message with you today. And you can all see that we're a matched pair. And peace and love to you, however the message. And let me explain. So, actually, do me a favor. Can you please show the viewers, and if he'll zoom in and show, he claims to be his club champion. Ha ha! Look at that guy, right? Any of you guys, you know golf at this point? This fat fuck is the club champ. This old, hobbled, fat fuck is the club champ. I mean, you can't even say it with a straight face. Yet he says it. And yet no one at the club dares come out and refute or say, oh yes, he beat me in this match. Now why is that? Because it's bogus! Everything about this jerk-off is a con game, is a lie. And how you could even eat it up. Could you imagine if Obama had said he was the champion of anything? You would attack, and you'd find data immediately to say it's a joke. Well, this is a joke. Okay, you can put it down, and you can focus on us again. So years ago, an assistant pro at my country club was playing in a big New Jersey golf tournament at Voldemort National. And yeah, I don't even want to mention his name. I'm just tired of hearing anything about this jerk anymore. So we'll stick with Voldemort. But when I was there, and it was years ago, and I'm a spirited guy, as you know, and it's cute because, even looking back, I'm not sure why, but I bought 2 white shirts at the pro shop. And it's now, whatever, the better part of 8 years ago, 7, whatever, when I realized I can't wear this shirt. I can't even wear it as underwear and support this con man, felon, pussy grabbing crook. But I did spend the money and I had the shirts. And then I had this fun idea. And I can now, and you can join me in wearing the shirt. And your modeling it is finer than mine, but we're in the spirit. And this is exactly my sentiment for
the champion?
For the champion, exactly. This is Hal Mintz and Raquel. Thumbs up or feet up. Thank you very much.